Okay, so you're welcome to another section of the Forex beginner course, getting started with Forex with Kenny In. So on this section, I'm going to be talking about the times to trade Forex. That's the trading section. So you need to know the time and how it works. So now that you know what Forex is and why you should trade Forex and who makes up the market, so it's high time you learn when you can trade this Forex. So yes, the Forex is open 24 hours a day, but it doesn't mean you can always trade actively the whole day. So there are times the market moves well and there are times the market moves slowly. The market is not really moving fast every single time or moving very well every single time. So you can make money if the market goes up. You can even make money if the market goes down by maybe buying and selling, but you have very difficult time trying to make money if the market doesn't move at all. If the market is just sluggishly, they call this consolidation. If the market is just ranging, so you could hardly make money there. So you have to know the time that the market is likely to go in a range, and you have to know the times the market is likely to trend. So that's what I mean. All right, so that is what I'm going to be explaining. We have the friends section, time zone, but all these ones are just a lot of, like I said, generic information. I'm going to be using Forex Factory, so you can, I'll put a link, sure, I'll put a link. You can just see the website here, www.forexfactory.com. So this is a Forex calendar, a Forex market calendar. What it does is it tells us the economic events every day. Like you can see here, this is January 3rd, 2023. So it's telling me all the things that are going to be happening in the financial markets today. So we have Japanese bank holiday, CNY, AED commodity price. All these ones are the news or the events that are happening today. So as a Forex trader, you need to be checking this Forex factory every day. Once you just wake up in the morning, the first thing you need to do, check the economic events calendar to know the things that you're going to be expecting from the market, or how the market is going to be moving. So but once you open the Forex Factory website, you need to click here. I'm sure you could all see this. You click on the time. So when you click on the time, you want to make sure you set it to your own local time zone. Alright, my own local time zone is GMT +1 West Central Africa, so I'll click save settings. So once I do that, the time, it's currently the same with my own time. If I should my own desktop time, you could see this is 10:51 a.m. my time and this is 10:51. So you want to make sure it's the same with your own local time, and then if you click on this home button here, you're going to come back. So as at time I'm recording this video is Sunday, January 1st. So if I click forward, it's going to tell me what's going to happen Monday. We have a little bank holiday on Monday, and just like that. And most you need to know about NFP. NFP is non-farm pay, one of the biggest news events we have in the forex market. It's basically a summary of United States employment numbers. So that happens every first Friday of the month. This is 2:30. It happens 2:30 my time. In your own time zone, anywhere you are in the world, it could be different, but in my own time it's 2:30. You can see that's what we call non-farm payroll, NFP. So after this event, the market will start moving well, maybe after throughout the month. So I'm just gonna wait for after this NFP before I start trading. Some people trade it, sometimes I trade it, but most times I just allow it. The market is going to make big candles and big movements during that time, so that's why it needs to be paying attention to the economic events. So you can see it's showing red here because it's a high impact news. Now let me explain how this Forex factory works. I don't know if I could see those annotations again, but this is what you need to know, or how you use this information. If I should click on, I think there's a place I could click on the menu, but let me just explain. So what it means is that the news with yellow shows low impact news, like the market doesn't really make good movements if this news should come up. This one with gray is mostly bank holiday. It's not really that important, but it tells you bank holiday. Maybe the market is just going to be cool during that period for that pair, that particular pair. And then this one with orange is a medium impact news. Sometimes the market moves well, sometimes the market doesn't move that well. And the market movements, we call it volatility. That's what we measure the market movements as, volatility. That means the market is volatile. In high impact news, you can see red. The market is highly volatile. The market moves fast. It gives big candles and big movements during that time. So that's what you need to know about the news. So now talking about the trade sections. All right, this is the financial market. Most of the time it works with New York time. It works with New York time. Like I told you, dollar has about 84% of the transaction of the world. So the market opens 12 midnight in New York, 12 a.m. New York. Every new trading day starts 12 a.m. New York. So you could use Google to check the time difference between your local time and the New York time. But these are the trading sections we have generally every day. So this is my own local time now. These times are correlated with my own local time. Like I said, I've converted. So you have to do that for your own. So we have the Sydney, we have the Tokyo, we have the London, and we have the New York. So these are the sections we have every day. During the Sydney, this is the Australian section, Tokyo is the Japanese section, London is the GBP, and then New York USD. So because we're trading currency pairs and they are kind of like switched, mixed with each other, we have what we call section overlaps. You can see here we have overlaps with Tokyo and London, London and New York. So but the major thing is just to know the time to trade. So for me, due to my own local time here in my country, Nigeria, I start trading from 4 a.m. Like once I wake up 4 a.m. If I see a signal, I can take. I could trade any section basically. I could even trade 2 a.m. Okay, so that 2 a.m. I'm going to be trading AD and Japanese pair. That is the time they move during that early hours of my time. And then from 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., I trade more of GBP pairs, London pairs, and New York pairs. In the afternoon, I trade more of USD pairs. You see, so due to the section, the country, and the pair, that is how the market moves. So you just have to know the times that are suitable for your own vicinity or region, and that's how you just make do with the information. So you could wake up anytime and trade, but you should know the section due to your own local time, and know the pairs to trade. So if you're trading in London section, you'll be trading more of GBP. You see, you're trading most of the time. Pounds is going to be making good movements during this time. GBP might just be consolidating, and once he gets into the section or the Q zone for London, the pair will start trending. Like JP USD now, it might be slowing, it might be consolidating in Sydney and Tokyo section, but once it gets into London section, it starts trending. So that time the GBP market is running, and workout people are going to work 7 a.m. People are already going to work, so the economy, everything is just buying and selling is just occurring. So that's how the market works. The same thing too in New York. 1 p.m. my time, I think it's 6 a.m. in New York, or 7 a.m. I think that's 7 a.m. in New York. So 7 a.m. in New York is like 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. my time. I think it's 1 p.m. my time. I'll check. So that time in New York is their morning hours. So, but it's already 2 p.m. in my 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. my time. So that's when I trade more of USD pairs, and the market will be moving very well during that time. So that's how we use the trading section. Like I said, I'm just going to be hitting it straight to the point and showing you how to make money with all this information. So that is for the trading section. So what these people do here, they're just giving a lot of information and rundowns of the best, but I've given you a summary. Like I said, what I've given you, it's enough for you to start making money in Forex. I talked about the section overlaps, and that's it. So now that's for uh, trading sections. I'll come back again on how to make money in Forex. Hope you find this course insightful. Please, like I said, subscribe, like, drop a comment. Once you finish every video, drop a comment. I want to get your feedback. If you learned something, or is there anything you want me to improve on, please drop a comment and share this video. Alright, see you all on the next one.